Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. We're going to go ahead and take a look at S&P 500 and gold tonight to see exactly what levels we're going to play off of for the London session here. So let's hop into it. Let's take a look at S&P 500 here real quick. We got a 10 tick up here, and we did have a nice move to the upside. We saw a potential support here and then also coming in right over here for that bounce to the upside there. We did move past some resistances. We did have a nice little bit of a double top here for the move down, and then we caught a good long opportunity for the move to continue back up. Now we have two levels I'm looking at right now, currently at 03 to 04. That's my target level right now for the resistance. Now if we get through that, then I am looking at a little bit higher, which is right around these 08s. Do have to give the market a little bit of time to get into these levels. Want to see it start to hold that resistance. If we can get like a double top or a two-try failure there, then I'll probably be looking for the market to move back down. Now we do have a strong bullish momentum coming in. You can see we're above this blue line, these 35, 85, 50s. That's going to be a good bullish indication for us. As of right now, we have strong support sitting at 35.88 to about 85. That's our level of support there. But we're going to have to see first to get this market to come back up into these 08s. These are the same levels we played off last week, so I'm sure they'll, act as resistance and support in this week. So right around these 08 to 10s is going to be our interest level. It's actually, there's another one right up at about 11 to 12 as another interest of resistance that may turn into support. But closer is going to be right around these 02 to 03s. See if we can get that support if it does pull back and then continue the long from there. All right, but for right now, we're going to see we got a little bit of resistance right there, so we can pop through it. But if we get that double top failure there, then we'll maybe look for a fade back down into the support. And if you don't want to look for that, then look for the market to get the pullback and then see if it holds the actual support there, and then look for the long opportunity from there. Now let's take a look at a 5-tick here real quick on S&P 500 so we can see a closer look at what's going on in this market. And pull this over here for you guys. So you guys can see we highlighted it a little bit. Nice level of support going on here. Let me see this here real quickly. Close these off. Okay, so we had a nice opportunity for this bullish move coming right in again, like we said, into our resistance. We passed 0304. We're trying to come through 04. See if we can get up to these 08 to 10s first and then get the resistance there. If you guys don't want to look for the fade, then you can look for a continued buy the dip opportunity, which is you wait for the market to come back to support levels and give you the support you're looking for, and then continue to move from there in this bullish trend here. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly, see what's going on with gold. Gold was in a nice downward move and looks like we're gonna maybe continue that downward move. We got some resistance sitting here at 1823.5. You can see the market is trying to curl back to the upside, or at least pull back up there. Right now we're sitting underneath it. We could have a pull down. We got support sitting at 1819.2, and then underneath is a target level about 1815.8 is my extension, or yeah, my extension to the downside. So we'll go ahead and pop that bad boy back up here real quickly, make that blue. So that is going to be my measured move I'm looking for on the downside move, 1815.8. Now if we get back above these 24s, we can look for that support and then continue to move back to the next level of resistance right around these 28s. So look out for that for gold. Let's take a look at a 5-tick on gold as well, give you guys a little bit closer view. You guys can see a nice little bit of a move right there. Now a little bit closer, you could be holding this support to curl it back up. So you want to just be, cautious of this move right here. If you hold this level of support, you could see the market actually start to turn back up against these 23 to 24s as a level of resistance right here at these top peaks. So be cautious about that. If you are looking to short, you can short from here, but just note the market got to break this level 21.4, and then you can see the upside. Then you can see the downside continuation. Now if we hold it, then you are definitely going to see the move curl back up to the upside. Want to be careful of that right there. All right, so that is what we're going to be looking at right now. Still in a downtrend. You can see we're underneath some support levels using as resistance. We could still pull down, but again, if you don't want to continue that downtrend, just look out for this level right here. You could potentially actually have some support to continue to move back to the upside. All right, that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys like this. If you guys do, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and pop them in here on YouTube, and I'll get back to you guys. You guys have a great night. Take care.